In this video, I will show you how to accept credit card payments without Stripe in Hostinger website builder. I'm now in my store management area, and to start accepting bank cards payments without Stripe in Hostinger website builder, go to store settings, then click on payments. Next to PayPal, click on connect. Fill in your PayPal email address here, then select your country from this list. Click on next. Your PayPal email should be a business PayPal and not a simple personal PayPal. If you only have a personal PayPal account, you can easily convert it to a business PayPal. Just look for how to turn a PayPal to PayPal business. Click on this PayPal page. It's simple. Just go to settings, then click on upgrade to a business account and fill in some simple information. Now this is my PayPal business account. Click on login. Thanks for signing up. You now have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Hostinger. You can go back to Hostinger International Limited or set up automatic transfer. Just link your bank account, then select your transfer frequency if you want it to be daily, twice a week, and select the amount to transfer. I will not set up an automatic transfer, so I will go back to Hostinger. My setup is not finished yet. Click on manage. There is no connected account, so click on finish setup. Once you are connected to your PayPal account, just click on this previous page on your browser. Click on Store Manager. Now reload this page. And as you can see, my PayPal account is connected to Hostinger. Now you can click back to payments. And as you can see, my PayPal is enabled now. Let's make a test order. This is my website on Hostinger website builder. Let's go to the store page. This is a $1 product, add to bag. Click on checkout. Select your destination country. For shipping, I will go with regular. Click on continue. Fill in your address, phone number. So, wait, 3197. Now, under the PayPal payment method, you can pay using PayPal balance or fill in a debit or credit card. Click on debit or credit card. A new window is open up. Just fill in your card number, expires date, and the CVS. For the billing address, select the country from here. Let's go with France, for example. As you can see, now fill in your first name, last name, and address. I have already made this $1 test order, so I don't want to repeat the same in order to avoid looking suspicious to PayPal. So I will go to orders. This is my latest $1 test order. As you can see, the payment method is PayPal, and it was automatically marked as paid. Now let's go to my PayPal account. I am now in my PayPal business account, and this is my $1 test order. As you can see, this is the date, this is the transaction ID. It was automatically marked as completed. I can add a tracking code from here. And this is the product name, handmade vase, quantity 1, the price is $1. The PayPal fee was $0.34 and the net amount is $0.66.